Is it me or the desperation to take Ezekiel down has come to an advanced stage to a point where Isaac Malapo is willing to even meet with the likes of Kata to orchestrate a downfall or to make him gore ba mo ntsha mo setulong sa bogosi, or just to distract the whole process? Is it because that uh, Isaac has gained the greed in him, or is it politics? Is this how politics is supposed to be? Is this how we run politics now? It's a dirty game. Is it how is it supposed to be? Because why would Isaac decide that he was going to meet Kata, who he knows that Kata is not a trustworthy person. He's not someone that you can rely on or someone that has a backbone for that matter. The only time when he comes to you is because there's something that is after and you're probably in possession of that something. And guys, my mind is saying that nje, I don't know, this might not really end well for Isaac Molapo, knowing who Kata is. Not because Kata is a problem, not because Isaac is a problem, but because I know who Kata is. I don't trust his tricks. He's probably trying to test the waters to see what he can gain. Anyway, the meeting went well. Kata called Isaac, and Isaac decided to pitch. And then he said, "You know what? I've got information that is good enough to take Ezekiel down. That information, you can use it so that you can campaign and people can know what kind of a snake he really is." This information is the details of how he does not care about the community, and as well as how the community will never find out of his shenanigans, and the community will never find out how much he is taking out of the community, trying to enrich himself. But the community will see the things that he's doing for them in exchange for him in gaining everything that he needs. This includes the title deed, includes the land, includes yonke into. But he said he was going to do that in the name of the Lord. Now, all of that information was on tape, and unfortunately for Isaac, well, you know that Snoopy for Ezekiel, ne? He was snooping around, and then he realized which Ukat and Isaac have met, and the information has been dished out. That did not sit well with Mr. Ezekiel. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing A House of Sweden, Dimadekwana, Sanbonan, Abshin, Molwen, Minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongwa hina wa House of Sweden, hikuma kurisula tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Ezekiel now is in a position where he knows ukuthi Isaac have more ammunition towards him. The information that he has is enough to take him down. Now, what is the next plan? The goal ukuthi abamsuse dlalwa amagame wama-elimination ke manje uthi abamsuse and make sure gore bopaki bo botlhe bukhomba Isaac, so that if Isaac now goes to jail, he says, if Isaac goes to jail and then Kata thing, then it means that the only common denominator, it is me. So which means by default send like Esana, because I don't have any other competitor. That is mission well executed, well planned. We don't know if the execution is going to be as clean. So utshela le njanyana yakhe ukuthi ayihambe uyofuna noKhatha bese uyamcima. After qeda ukumcima, and then we pin the whole thing to bani Isaac. And then Isaac kushuthi ukwenza nani ungena ejele. Hayi ke, to a point where he calls Kata and say, Kata, come, let us meet. Kinyaka re kopane endaweni enjanjani, ngifuna sikhulume kanjani bafika lapha. Hayi sayigcina nje sokukhala isibhamuke manje. UKhatha sekadubulekile because he came and said, hey, mina ngumuntu waseMambisa, angizozwa ngawe, angizothuswa mina inyoka efile, wena uzongithusa othukile. Bathi inhlavu wathule umsindo. But now at this point asazi ukuthi kena uKhatha ucishile or kanjani, but what we know ukuthi inhlamvu yona iphumile ngena kuKhatha, uKhatha wela phansi, and that was the last thing that we saw. On the other hand, Ona is just being a good person and supportive towards uNkosi, because uNkosi is a bit concerned ukuthi umngani wakhe uPandisa bambizile ukuthi ufentuenza. because they think she has gained a lot of weight and she still needs to work on her weight so that she can be relevant. Some were saying that she's not relevant anymore, she's not relatable anymore. Now she has that pressure. Bese uNkosi-ke was there to ukuthi amduduze. Enye into engiyibonayo bazoduduzana baye emashitini ngingathi angimtshelanga. On the other hand, uKeletso uyayincengela Nkosi yami ukuthi abe lo bridesmaid, and then uMampho was just pushing the buttons and say, please say I reign. I'm the queen. I'm her majesty. And she did. And then bamuthi fa the position yokuba bridesmaid. Well, I think it was long overdue. Maria no Pinky, they are in the salon and discussing about how Maria did not think or did not believe that she would at some point be the mother of the bride. Now that this opportunity has fallen into her hands, she doesn't even know what to do with it. Most importantly, she says that the family, Maria says that the family is coming together because Mampho has agreed that Keleto would be the bridesmaid. And the one more thing that shocked her, because she was like, it was surprise after surprise. And knowing Pinky with the interest level of other people's news, she couldn't stop but ask what else. And then she indicated that another thing that is surprising is that the person Otlaba Abuledi Sanaka Mahadi Eskatata Mampo is going to be Isaac, aka Molapo. So she was so excited about it. It felt like her husband to be. But while Lapo. Usenzo is worried about Mampo and Indoda Yake moving in together. That actually means the house is going to be crowded. But they've practically been together for the longest time. But now that they want to start a family, which means so that's why now this explains why all this time when the thing of proposile, this explains why Umasanza has been bringing an attitude. So because uyazi ukuthi okay, if uyashada kusho ukuthi kena omunye kumele afune indawo yakhe, and of which is probably that's something that he never anticipated, something that he never thought kuzenzakala manje. But then the couple, as they were discussing, Uwampo was like, yeah, I need to move in as soon as possible. Bese again, Usogalezo asked, you know what we're trying to say, Masanza, is that we are going to think about it and then come back with a conclusion. On the other hand, Umasanza, he feels Guti, Shuti, very soon he might find himself homeless. Does he even afford to get his own apartment or his own house or anything by way to Nano Mayini? Oh, and at this time, une girlfriend. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please remember to also leave a comment down. I really love hearing from you guys. And remember, we do not post full episode. However, we review full episode on a daily basis.